Hello guys, welcome to my channel Classes for Learning. So guys, do you know we need tools to perform various kind of tasks. So for example, a knife is used to chop fruit and vegetables, while a piece of cloth is cut with a pair of scissors. Humans have been using different types of tools since prehistoric times. The period until which the system of writing was not developed is known as prehistory. Although the types of tools and their uses have changed over time, their importance has not reduced. Humans first used bones, stones, dried twigs, and sticks as tools. After using such tools for years, they observed that they could sharpen stones, bones, and stick into tools to carry out their tasks more efficiently. As the humans started evolving, their tools became refined too and became the basis for naming different time periods in prehistory. These periods are divided into four parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic. So, these words are taken from Greek, in which Paleo means old, Meso means middle, Neo means new, Calco means copper, and lithic comes from lithos, which means stones. So, our today's topic is Paleolithic age. So, today we will know about Paleolithic age. The Stone Age was the period in which mainly stone tools were used. It is divided into three periods. The first period is called the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age. Now you are confused that I have first tell four parts, then I have tell three periods. So there are three main and four common. So let us know about Paleolithic age. So there are many types of tools in Paleolithic age. Let us know about them and their uses. Hand axe. The butt end of this tool was broader and the working end narrower. It might have been used for cutting and digging. Let us talk about another tool. Another tool is cleaver. This tool had an edge like a biface and was used for splitting trunks of trees. So let us know about another tool. So another tool is chopper. This was a core tool and was used for chopping. Another tool is flake. This tool was produced by removing thin layers of stone. Let's talk about burin. This was like a blade and was used for engraving on bones and soft stone. So, do you know? Many hand axes and cleavers have been found in Narmada river basin where Bhimbekta is located. And there are many other basins like Ghat Prabha basin of Karnataka and Paleolithic stone tools have been also found in the river like Krishna, Godavari and Tapti. So if you like the video, so please like, share, subscribe and comment, and also press the bell icon so that you get notification when I tell about Mesolithic, Neolithic and calculating age. Thank you.